We are a tendered company. As our policy, we are going to give an preventive maintenance information. We are talking about the service interval changing the oil. So the interval of changing the oil is every 150 hours. But we can prolong we can extend the service interval of the oil if the filter is cleaned properly and the engine having a good cooling system. Because if the cooling system is working properly, then there will be no any problem for the oil because the oil will not getting more hot. So the cooling system, it's very important. Therefore, if you are going to start doing if you are going to do the preventive maintenance 250 hours, 500 hours, 750 hours, up to 1,000 hours, then up to 2,000 hours. So the oil change, you should not have to put into the upper level. This is the high level. The high level of this one is here. If your maintenance people, they are going to fill the oil after the maintenance, you should have to put the oil below on the high level, like triple. Because if you are going to put in the high level up to here in this area, now the problem is you are going to damage your seal. The seal of the crankshaft, it will bruise. Because the pressure will increase. Because you put extra oil, which is not anymore recommended.